Hi guys, today I'm going to show you on how you can fix any laptop that show this boot device not found. So this is HP Stream 14. If you have any HP that is HP Stream 14 or HP Stream 11 or HP 348 that shows the boot device not found. So I'm going to show you how you can fix it by yourself without taking it to a technician. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. So let's go guys. So you press the key F10 key, then you take it to system setup, then you go to this system configuration, this place, then you go down, you press this key for going down, see it here, boot option, you click enter key, then you press this key, you press go down, you press arrow down, you see this legacy support disable, so you enable it, you press enter, you choose yes, you press enter, then you press back the F10 key to save your changes. You see, you press yes, so you wait for a while, let it boot. So you press this number, you type this number that is here, 2587. You see it's 2587, 2587. You press enter key, so you wait for a while, let it boot. So this is it. This is it. It's on now. Can you see it? So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment. Thank you guys for watching.